Hey everyone, the ZTE Free Screen F10 is one of those devices that feels like it's trying to redefine what a screen actually is in your home. Instead of committing to being just a TV, tablet, or monitor, it blends all three into a single mobile platform that leans heavily into flexibility and connectivity. The result is a product that doesn't fit neatly into any traditional category, but that's exactly the point. At first glance, the 27-inch display immediately positions the Free Screen F10 closer to a compact TV or desktop monitor than a typical smart display. The full HD resolution might sound modest in a world of 4K panels, but paired with the 100 Hz refresh rate, it delivers a surprisingly smooth and responsive experience. Whether you're casually gaming, scrolling through apps, or watching videos, motion feels fluid and comfortable on the eyes. The color reproduction, with 85% NTSC coverage, isn't aimed at professionals, but it's more than adequate for entertainment and everyday use. The brightness of just over 300 nits confirms its indoor focus. This isn't something designed for bright outdoor environments, but inside it performs reliably. What really sets this device apart is how you interact with it. The 10-point touch support transforms the large display into something that behaves more like an oversized tablet. Navigating apps, zooming, or even using productivity tools feels natural, especially if you're used to Android tablets. Under the hood, the Unisoc T8300 processor, paired with 6 gigs of RAM, ensures that general usage, streaming, browsing, video calls, and light multitasking run smoothly. It's not a powerhouse, but it doesn't need to be. Connectivity is one of the strongest aspects of the Free Screen F10. With built-in 5G support and SIM card compatibility, it operates independently of traditional Wi-Fi setups, making it ideal for flexible environments. You can move it from room to room or even different locations without worrying about network availability. Add to that dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and a generous selection of ports, including HDMI 2.0, USB, and Type-C, and you get a device that integrates easily with keyboards, mice, external drives, and other peripherals. It can quickly shift from a media hub to a lightweight workstation. The built-in camera and audio system reinforce its all-in-one ambition. The 8-megapixels camera, complete with a physical privacy shutter, is clearly designed with video calls and remote communication in mind, which pairs nicely with the cloud PC functionality. Audio is more impressive than expected, with dual 5-watt speakers supported by a 20-watt subwoofer. The addition of a wheeled base with 360-degree movement turns it into something you can genuinely move around your home or workspace with ease. This mobility, paired with the 9500 mAh battery delivering roughly 9 to 12 hours of usage, creates a level of freedom that traditional TVs and monitors simply cannot match. In practice, the Free Screen F10 feels like a device built for modern, flexible lifestyles. It's ideal for users who don't want to be tied to a single setup, whether that means watching content in different rooms, using it as a portable workstation, or even incorporating it into fitness routines or presentations. Overall, the ZTE Free Screen F10 stands out as a bold experiment in redefining how we use displays. It may not replace every device in your setup, but it comes surprisingly close by combining mobility, connectivity, and versatility into one cohesive package. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.